What's up everyone? How y'all doing? I know it's been a minute, but we are out here today. We are getting ready to go get it. Got the captain here.
Hello.
How you doing, Captain? Hopefully it's not too windy. So today we are headed out to Fort DeSoto. We're gonna grill up some beach burgers. We've got the mimosas. It's just we have not been out on the water. It just really, the weather has not been cooperating for us. It's been cold, windy, rainy, all the stuff that we don't like. So today it's nice and sunny. Hopefully we're gonna find out if we can go in the water or not. The water, you got a water temperature?
Where is it?
I should say 63.9.
No, definitely not. No.
So we're gonna be going in the water today.
Oh.
So we got all our gear packed up. We're ready to go. So we are on our way to Fort DeSoto. These waves are a little bit bigger than we were anticipating though. So we're having to go a little bit slower than we normally do.
Is that a hint?
No, yeah. No, I think we're doing all right. They're just a little bit bigger than we thought. So this is our new bimini top. We're gonna try this out. We put it on, is that back in December? We put it on a little while back, but we have not used it yet. We're going to a different spot. It's just got too much waves and stuff coming in here. I did check the waves. They're supposed to be like it's supposed to be like half a foot. And it's actually windier too than so I think we have to go by like a Shell Key because the wind's coming out of the south. So alright, we gotta figure this out. This is nice. So we've got some protection from the wind over there. What's that path over there? That's Fort DeSoto over there. So we're gonna just chill. Yeah, back in that, we could have probably got back in that cut back in there too. But that's where we're at that one time. All right, so we're gonna get things set up here.
Maybe wash this before we leave?
Yeah, I should have probably checked it. It's probably just been sitting there for a smidge. What is up, everyone? All right, we're over here at our spot. This is kind of a nice little spot today. It's getting busy though. Let me show you all. So we're over here. Some boats in the back in that little cut back there. But yeah, it's definitely busy. We went ahead and got the grill going. We're gonna go ahead and all fire it up. We're gonna slap some burgers on here in a second. Get that nice and hot. Got some other boat neighbors here. It's definitely a cool area. Hot dog boat went by already, so we're gonna have some burgers. Be hungry. Do a little cleaning over here. Should have cleaned off this table before we left. Oh well, next time. Cool. All right, so we'll get some burgers on the grill. Yeah. Because I'm just trying to get them so they're not directly on the heat there. off to the side there so they don't get black. Cool. Go. This is gonna be tasty. Make tasters soon. Cool. Thanks, babe. Yum 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 yum. You're on that side. I think it's time to.
Already?
I think so. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, those boys be hot. Don't want to flip your burger out into the water there.
Please
Ooh.
don't. Please don't. I would appreciate
There
it.
you go. Get that burger cam. Ooh, don't burn the camera now. This thing is going hot. Shoot.
Can you turn it down?
Ooh, maybe. Oh, I'm going to turn it off. That's what's going to happen. Oh, boo. I turned it off.
Are you new here? What? How do you?
This is my first day on the job.
How do you turn it back on?
I gotta do this or something. Shoot. Alright, I shouldn't have listened to you.
What? It looks like you can turn it.
There is. I'm just turning.
It's on.
No, I think that's just grease. Ooh, we're going. We're good. Never mind. There probably is a way. I want to eat, so we'll make it work.
Some new people just pulled into their spot literally as they pulled out.
Oh, snap. Pulling up. Burger cam is. We're getting this burger cam going. Oh, I should put my thermometer on here. That way I can.
Oh yeah, you should. So they're not too like raw.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever made it too raw.
There was one time it was a little. It was like the outside was singed and,
singed.
and it was pretty much
Raw.
raw meat on.
I go by. It has to do with the firmness.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, that's kind of how it's working. We're gonna make it work.
It looks pretty firm.
Yeah, that's pretty fun. You know, there's a thing you do with your hand or something.
Yeah, that's the pointer finger and the
Yep.
thumb.
Oh, is this the? Oh, you didn't use my cheese. This is the porcelain cheese.
What?
I bought Land O'Lakes.
That is Land O'Lakes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. And there was a piece and a half each. There's a half piece.
But just if you relax for a minute.
I need you to get with the pro. You can see what I put in there. This is important. Cheese
If you just relax.
is important.
The chef could get this done. Woohoo! Hot fudge! I gotta get these buns on. You know I love me some buns.
You're a boob band.
No, buns out, sun's out, buns out. All right, these are gonna go fast.
What else do we got? That's the veggies. We need condiments here. So we got ketchup, of course.
Coming
Both
in hot.
ketchup.
Watch out, because this boy is hot.
And then we got a little mayo here.
Oh, shoot!
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off.
I feel like we're missing.
Turn
the
that
bone.
off now, so that can just
Oh.
cook. Because that is piping hot in there. Cool.
So maybe it was fine that it turned off.
Yeah. So just turn it off. Let that do that. It's saying, all right, we got one.
There we go. Look at that.
One veggie platter.
That's the veggie platter.
Veggie setting.
Just didn't have any
You want to?
avo. I ate it all yesterday. I had
Oh, you did?
avocado for lunch.
Yeah, I didn't buy another one. I didn't know that. Or I got you one.
No, you got two. I ate them both.
Oh, okay.
I had
I figured that there was gonna be one left. So. No big deal.
you know what I had for lunch? It was good. I made the I made a cucumber salad out of that cucumber
Would you be able to pull plate up here?
cucumber salad, and then I put avocado in it.
Go.
Wow.
package up in the mail. We've got some napkins over here. Napkin for you. Okay. I'm liking this grill. As long as it don't fall off into the water.
That has happened before, hasn't it?
It has happened before. As long as it don't fall off, we'll be good. That was because the other adapter broke. So I ended up getting a new adapter. The one that came with it was crap. So, but yeah, it fell off into the water.
Yeah, I remember that. It was like,
yeah, we didn't.
And then we didn't have burgers that time.
We didn't have burgers. We had to go home. We didn't film all that stuff. So
we went home and had burgers at home.
We had burgers at home. So
yeah, I was hangry.
So before we were just kind of showing y'all all the good times, but now we're going to show you the bad times as well. So. All right. Can you get both hands around that thing, or what?
I can get. You're not going to film this, are you?
Yeah,
we always do that.
Let's see what we got here. Well, let's get a little look at the burger cam first.
How do you? That's the spot I'm going for.
All right,
because it's got all the stuff.
All right, go ahead and get it. Let's see. Yeah, it looks. How's it cooking this, or do you know, or do we know yet?
Oh, I didn't even get any burger.
Oh, you didn't get any burger. It's all it's all the other stuff. All right.
Let me get you.
Oh yeah, you can get me. All right, let's see what we got. Right?
Nom nom nom.
Mmm.
Did you get burger? How is it? Show the camera.
It's good. I'd say it's a rare.
Rare. Okay.
It's juicy though. Watch out. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a little bit more. All right. There's like a whole bunch of people over on that, looks like a Midnight Express way over there. And there's some other boat, big old boat there in the distance playing loud music. So let's go see what they're up to. Let's go that way, we'll go toward them. Let's see what we got going on over there. What are you guys up to? All right. Yeah, I think it's probably like some charter or something like that. All right, we're like at 22%. I've got her hovering over there, so there you go. You get the yacht shot. Oh yeah, this guy's throwing it up. It's party time. It's party time. All right, so we're getting ready to pack it up here. Just been chilling. But we packing it up. Kim's got the chairs. Looking good, looking good. Got a little breeze coming now. The breeze has stopped. It's kind of cooling down. Sun's going down. We got the party crew over there. Got some drone footage. So we'll see what that looks like. But we're just gonna kind of get things ready. We are actually out later than we normally stay. It's 4 o'clock. Typically we're leaving about 2 o'clock. Well, we usually get out earlier though. Today we got out much later than we usually do because it's just because of the weather, you know, being kind of cold. No rush to be out here when it's like 50 degrees. So. But we're gonna pack it in. I hope you enjoyed this. We're gonna be back out on the water more frequently now that it's starting to warm up. So we'll see y'all in the next one. You ready? Cool. Let's do it.